All right, are we ready to hit the road?
We are.
We got a long trek ahead of us.
Well, yeah, but it's going to be split up in between several days.
Yeah, we've got 4 stops to make, but 1,000 miles to go. So, got lots of exciting things to see. Places we've never been before.
I know it.
It's exciting.
I know. I'm ready.
Ready? Have you ever had one of those travel days where you had everything planned out just perfectly? Well, yeah, that's the way this went for about the first 10 minutes, maybe. So the tire fun continues. Got up this morning to leave Brunswick, Georgia, and it looks like one of our tires is flat. I'm assuming it's probably a valve stem extender.
Luckily, we were right next to a Love's, which we were planning on stopping at to get gas anyway. So we put gas into Lennon and started taking a look at the tires.
So what are we doing?
Well, we've been sitting for 2 weeks, and apparently we still have a leaky valve stem because the TPMS system registered this inner dually as being flat. So, back to the drawing board on our tire issues.
And once we got the tire aired up, we were on our way.
What are we doing now?
Well, it turns out that our valve stem is still leaky and we're losing pressure on the highway. We've got about an hour underneath us and we lost about 12 pounds of pressure. So I'm taking it off the valve stem extender, that is, and going to be putting the TPMS on the valve stem directly and see, make sure that works. So tired of tire issues. Hopefully this takes care of it.
Tell them what we had to do. Again.
So, we put air in the tires and it was still leaking. So, as it turns out, it's the valve stem that I had them fix and then refix. So we are now here at Discount Tire and they're gonna put a new valve stem in there like probably should have been in the first place. So RV life throws you curves every single day. Just gotta roll with it. Feeling thankful that we had the valve stem replaced, we headed on down the road. We had just enough gas to get there, and I noticed that we were still slowly losing air, but I knew we could make it to our destination. Well, that was until we came across an accident 25 miles from the RV park. We had to turn around on a 2-lane road with Yoko in tow and almost got stuck in the sandy shoulder. But we made it, and now we needed gas and we needed to put air in the tire. This detour cost us about 60 miles and about an extra hour and a half's worth of time.
But we made it. Now, it was a long day. And quite honestly, guys, all we really wanted to do was just get camp set up, get some food in our bellies, and go to bed.
So, it appears we still have a leak even after replacing the valve stem. So, my suspicion is that it is the $275 valve extension. So, right now I've removed it and I'm going to air the tire up and I'm going to monitor it over time to make sure it's still holding air and that it's not a problem with the valve stem.
That gave us the perfect time to go on our kayak tour of the backwater canals in Waits Island, which is only accessible by boat. We took a long walk on the beach looking for shells, and well, you just never know what else you're going to run across. This was a great and relaxing time, but at the same time, we still had a tire issue we needed to deal with.
Well, 2 hours later, I've gone through, I've done the pressure test again. I have not lost any air out of the tire, so I'm gonna come back and verify it in another 3 hours just to make sure, but I think our culprit is going to be that valve stem extender. So, paid a lot of money for something that I can't use now.
Well, what kind of tourists would we be if we didn't visit the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk here?
As we walked along, the beach looked really inviting, but this was a boardwalk day and not a beach day.
So what do you think? Do you want to go do it? Let's go do it. She's afraid of heights. Yeah, we'll go do it.
Promise you won't rock it?
I promise.
Okay.
Okay. I need 2 adults, please.
Would you like to upgrade to the VIP gondola with the glass floor?
No. So I guess I should probably tell you right about now that I sprung for the extra and got the glass bottom.
Oh, no, you didn't. Okay, just don't move. Don't move. Oh, my God. I can't believe you're looking around. I'm okay. Holy cramoli.
Are your palms sweaty yet?
Oh, they're soaking wet, and I'm not letting go of this. Oh my God. Oh my God, we're at the top. Stop rocking it. Stop rocking it.
I am not trying it. They stopped the Ferris wheel.
Don't stop. Don't stop. Keep going around.
You sure you didn't want the one with the glass bottom?
Oh my God.
So what worries me the most is they got a guy like 12 years old running this thing.
He looks like 12. Oh my God.
We're almost back down to that.
Okay.
You gonna push the button?
I might. One time around.
I think that's it. I think that's the entire ride. So, end of the ride. What'd you think? You did it.
I did it. That's pretty tense.
That's the important thing is you did it.
I made it.
Well, that was an adventure.
Sure was.
Go again?
No.
Now, while the Ferris wheel was an adventure, we still had Boardwalk to explore. There was a lot of cool shops and a lot of cool people. Like this guy, just riding in circles while popping a wheelie. I think it's safe to say that this could be a metaphor for RV life at times. Now, when we got back, the tire was holding its own, and before you know it, it was time to go.
All right, time to hit the road again. Okay, are you all set?
You ready to go?
Are we all set?
Yep. We just need to slide in and good to disconnect.
All right. We are headed to Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina today. So for you guys that don't know where that is, it's right around the Kitty Hawk area. So it's going to be a bit of a trek for us today, about 5.5 hours without stops. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully no tire issues today.